Welcome. If you're ready to say goodbye to Snapchat, this updated guide will show you exactly how to delete your Snapchat account right from your device. Whether you want a fresh start or just need a break, these steps will help you remove your account quickly and securely. First, make sure you're logged into the Snapchat app on your phone. If you're already using the account you want to delete, you're good to go. If not, log in with your credentials. Now, let's get started. Begin by logging out of your current Snapchat account. To do this, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the app. This takes you to your profile page, where you'll see a gear icon in the top right corner. Tap that to open your settings. Scroll all the way down until you find the option to log out. Tap on Log Out and confirm your choice. You'll be taken back to the Snapchat login screen. Here comes the crucial part. On the login screen, you'll see a list of accounts that have been used on your device. Find the account you want to delete and tap on Remove Account. Snapchat will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this account from your device. Confirm your decision. At this point, your Snapchat account will be removed from your device. But if you want to permanently delete the account, there's one more step. Open your web browser and go to the Snapchat account portal. Log in with your credentials, select Delete My Account, and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. Snapchat will deactivate your account for 30 days. If you don't log back in during this period, your account will be permanently deleted, along with all your data and snaps, and that's it. You've successfully removed and started the process to delete your Snapchat account. If you change your mind within 30 days, just log back in to reactivate it. Otherwise, your account will be gone for good. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tech tutorials.